It's really important to find the best lawyer for you. Many people run to the first lawyer that they hear about or that they see in the yellow pages. That may or may not be the best person to represent you or your case. Remember that how you start this divorce is often how you end the divorce. And so to hire the meanest lawyer in town really sends a very strong message to your spouse. Now, maybe that's the message you want to send, but maybe it isn't. It's a good idea to do a little bit of research before you hire an attorney. Talk to a friend who's been through a divorce. Talk to another lawyer and ask if they know someone. Your local bar association also has a referral list. You may want to look on the internet or the yellow pages. Talk to at least 3 people before you make your final decision. When you do make your final decision, remember to use your lawyer for legal processes and to do the homework that the lawyer tells you to do. If the lawyer asks you to put together a list of your assets and debts, do that before you come in the next time. Hiring a lawyer can be very expensive, and so you want to get the best value for your money. Remember that your lawyer is your employee. He or she is going to be nice to you, but he or she should also be giving you legal advice. Your lawyer's not your therapist or your best friend. You're going to need a best friend and maybe a therapist during this process, but that isn't your lawyer. Ask your lawyer to educate you about the divorce process. You want a partner in your case, not just someone who's going to dictate to you what's going to happen. After all, you're the one who's living with the outcome. Ask about the pros and the cons of every decision. If your lawyer only wants to talk about your best case scenario, that's a red flag, and you need to be careful about choosing a lawyer like that. Today, there is lots of options other than just going to court. Ask your lawyer about collaborative law and mediation and litigation, and ask which of these options would work best in your case. If your lawyer can only talk about expensive litigation, you may be courting trouble by hiring this person. It may be tempting to hire the meanest lawyer in town when you start your divorce, but be really careful. People who do that are rarely satisfied with that lawyer at the end of the case.